Forget your troubles. Don't look at the past. Look at the future. Take the opportunity, grab it, and shine your light. What a message this, ladies and gentlemen, as we strike the right note for humanity. Let's go across this evening to our guests who are joining us. This is a very, very special effort. Somebody I'm a great admirer of is joining us this evening. He's a Grammy Award winner, is a fantastic composer. He's been doing fantastic initiatives over climate change, over environment consciousness, and of course, now working with refugees who are in India and who have a certain amount of talent. This is not sport, this is music. So that's why it is Ricky Cage. So the refugees with Ricky Cage. And Ricky, so good to have you with us. Another person who's a good friend. He's been with us here on the Right Stand often, and he's also been taking a lot of steps, is also with us. Good to have you with us, Salim Merchant. But the initiative is of the UN. So Babar Baloch, spokesperson of the United Nations, is also with us this evening. Thank you very much. But I want to start with two of the talents in that video that you saw. Rahmatullah Khan from Afghanistan and Aura Chan, singer and composer from Myanmar. Now we got all six of them, and why can't I see your face, Ricky? We got something in front of you, so we're just going to remove that and then try and get it. Now we can see you. Very good. So that's Ricky Cage there at the bottom, right below me on the windows, viewers. Right next to me is Babar Baloch. Behind that is a person you know very well, that is Salim Merchant. And next to Ricky is Rahmatullah and Aura. Greetings to all of you. Hindi, Urdu, English. Any of the three languages, please use them. And speak your mind. Rahmatullah, let me ask you, kaisa laga ye, how did you like this entire effort? Talk us through this.
Rahmatullah, it's yours.
Oh, sorry. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to Ricky sir, the respected office, UNICEF office, and all the artists have been since for the last 2 or 3 months in this project. Yes, of course, my name is Rahmatullah Habib, an artist from Afghanistan, living in India since 2015. And presently I'm an artist, and somehow I can say that a music teacher educating the other refugees.
Wonderful. So you're at least pursuing your passion. And here in India, let me ask you, before I go to Aura, Rahmat, I want you to sing something for us. Not necessarily shine your light. Sing something in Pashto. Sing something. We'd like to hear your voice.
Okay, of course, sir. I would like to present a ghazal.
Wah, Rishad, why not? Go ahead.
Merchant sir and Ricky sir, if there is any mistake, so sorry.
Wow, fantastic. That was Rahmatullah Khan, is an Rahmatullah Habib, who's an Afghan refugee in India. What a talent. And Ricky Cage, you've honed him very well. अच्छा सिखाया 3-4 महीनों में. और खुद music teacher है, so he knows his music too. But Ricky, before I come across to you, and Babar and Salim, before I talk to you.
In front of this legendary, I am nothing, sir. I'm saying somehow I can ask myself that I'm a teacher. No, just I can guide the people.
Sir,
no,
I'll tell you what.
Merchant, sir, and Ricky Cage, sir.
I'll tell you what. You're teaching Rahmat, you're teaching youngsters Sa Re Ga Ma Pa. And
Yes,
Ricky is trying to tell you how to go beyond Saregamapa, in terms of further into the world of music. So it's nice. Everybody is learning at all points in time, isn't it? And it's nice to see this. Ricky, before I come to you, Aura, hi. When did you come to India? When did you come to India? I spotted you in the video. You were standing with the 3 or 4 of them together doing the chorus bits and some other, vocals, weren't you, Aura? So tell me your experience.
Yes, Ricky and the music production team has taught us the ABCs of the whole song making process, from writing the lyrics of the song to creating the instrumentals and actually going to the studio and recording the vocals. So the 2-month project has really put that ray of hope in me much bigger, and I'm more aspired with bigger dreams. It was a very fantastic opportunity to have.
True. So, Aura, why don't you by ABC, I know you mean Do Re Mi. So, why don't you sing us something before we go to Ricky and Babar?
What would you want me to
Anything
sing,
you
sir?
feel like. Anything you feel like.
Rahmat is my teacher, actually. He used to teach me vocals.
So, go ahead. So, sing whatever you feel like. Whatever is your current favorite, a cover for whatever, or a song from back home, anything.
It is time, let's do this, it's our time. Let's do this, it is time to shine your light. It is time, let's do this, it's our time. Let's do this, it is time to shine your light. It is time to shine your light.
Very nice. You got great pitch, and that vibrato is also nice. Ricky Cage, my knowledge in music is very limited, but this is a very talented bunch that you've got to work with. Fantastic job done with the composition.
Oh, thank you so much. So
Such
a
a
few
pleasure
years
to
ago,
speak
I
to
had pretty much decided to dedicate my entire life and all of my music to creating positive social impact. So over the last few months, it's been an absolute honor to work with the UNHCR and and with these 24 youth refugees. It's an incredible honor for me to play a small part in keeping their dreams alive through this collaboration. Because all of them are musicians, and it's very difficult for a refugee to even think about art, and let alone try to think about a career in music. And this song featuring them and India's best known artists, like we have Salim over here, we have of course Aditya Narayan, we've got Neeti Mohan.
Yep.
So and during this time we shared such beautiful camaraderie, because these refugees shared their heartbreaking stories of watching loved ones being kidnapped or killed, or comfort of their homes, or to leave everything they knew behind. And through this project, we shared our experiences. We had a wonderful, wonderful time, and it's been a total privilege for me.
True. And how did the tune come to you? Let me ask you as the composer. And who wrote the lyrics? Because it's multilingual, isn't it?
Yeah, so the thing is that, in the beginning, during the mentorship, I assumed that, that we would be creating a song about darkness and about, all the pain that they've witnessed and the trials and tribulations that they've faced. But to my surprise, when we spoke about what kind of a song we need to create, every single one of the 24 musicians wanted to spread positivity, love, and hope through the music. They just wanted to give joy and motivation to the rest of the world, which was so motivating to me and so amazing. Yeah. And so we based this thing on an existing composition of mine, but the refugees rewrote everything. They redid the melodies. They basically made it their own song, and they just made this composition their composition, basically.
Well, fantastic. And that's very rich coming from somebody like you, and very generous coming. I know there has been a lot of effort that you also put in to try and not just coach them, get them right, and get the mix right, because there is a lot of pain in the lyrics, but there is a lot of positivity in the music and the way it comes out. And that it only says that you've got to marry your pain, and you've got to go ahead and spread peace, joy, and take it on your stride. Life will come and punch you on the chin, but you got to get up and start walking again. You can't keep lying down. That's the kind of message that's come across. Babar Baloch, I'll come to the star in just a bit. Salim Merchant, you know why. So wait for me, please. But Babar Baloch, what an initiative this. You've done this with sports stars. This is with this effort, Ricky with refugees. Very special. Talk us through this entire initiative.
Yeah, I think this is humanity at its best, as Ricky was putting it, and Rahmat and Dora and others were. This is about hope and love and inspiration. Look here. Yes, a lot happens when you become a refugee. You leave your home, your country, you go to seek shelter other places, but it's humanity that binds us, and nothing better than music. And I'm sure that Ricky, Rahmatora, and Salim and others have worked hard on it. And it's also a privilege and honor for us because what we ask as humanitarians is just the little bit of humanity in terms of for the whole humanity to go forward. You don't stop being a human being if you become a refugee. No, and we have more than 26, 27 million refugees around the globe. When it comes to humanity, we all have to stand up for each other.
Yes.
And bring the best out of us. So this is the perfect example.
True, and thank you very much for coordinating this effort, and it's a pleasure to be able to represent this and also to showcase the effort across to all our audiences nationwide. Now let's go to the man who's so busy. Are you in your studios now? Because I just saw you put out a post that you're busy recording the whole day, Salim Merchant. You've also done something for Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. You have now done Shine Your Light. भाई सांस ले रहे हो कि नहीं ले रहे हो क्या?
बहुत अच्छे से ले रहा हूँ because you know I've not stopped making music, as you know. I mean,
Yes.
I've appeared like more than 2-3 times. But this effort was something which is really close to me, Anand. And you know, somebody told me a quote some time ago that happiness is best felt when you give happiness to other
Yep.
people. That's the true form of happiness when you actually experience that. And I'm so delighted to be part of this beautiful movement. First of all, Ricky Cage is one person who doesn't, you know, who only makes music for a purpose. And that is something that is really, we've just done a song together before Shine Your Light. We did a song called Aman Mein Aman for Gandhi Jayanti. And I got to know him and I realized how important his thoughts are about the world, about the environment, about humanitarian, the message that he's giving across, and him being the ambassador for the United Nations. He's really taking it very seriously and trying to bring a change through music, and that's really something which has touched me in a deep sense.
Well, he's already working on an album, and I've been seeing all of his releases, and it's one after the other. It's just amazing compositions. We'll get to Ricky in just a bit. I saw when we were playing out the video, and you were all getting connected on through your Zoom links, you know, you were way into the music, Salim Merchant. So I'm going to ask you, Salim, to sing some portion, not just what you have, you know, fronted towards the end, but anything from this composition, please.
Well, actually, you know, I'm very comfortable in doing this song which we did for Mahatma Gandhi ji, and there was a beautiful quote that
Okay, fantastic.
That Gandhi ji said that, you know, be the change you want to see in this world.
Yeah.
IP Singh, a beautiful singer and lyricist, really converted that to a great poetic line, which is "Badlav jo chahe to wo khud hi tu banna."
Correct.
Man mein aman rakhna, and the whole message was peace. So yeah. चाहत है सुकून की तू मन में अमन तू रखना राहत है दूर भी तू मन में अमन तू रखना कस्तूरी जो महके मृग बहके पर हो ना जाने दुनिया में जो ढूंढे है उसके अंदर ही ठिकाने बदलाव जो चाहे तू वो खुद ही तू बनना मन में अमन तू रखना.
Wonderful. Fabulous, but we are on a live broadcast, so Ricky Cage, abhi, you know, connecting with you and getting you to sing your compositions. This is something which we'll keep for the next time. But Babar Baloch, Rahmat, Aura, Ricky, and Salim, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Go on and shine your light. Wish you all the very, very best. Thank you for joining us here on the broadcast this evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Well, that's all we have time for in this edition of The Right Stand. Brass Tags with Zaka Jacob up next. Stay with us.